prayer to Jesus for peace, hope, and renewed faith. Dear Jesus, sometimes life feels heavy and hope seems far away, but I know you are near. You are my peace when I feel overwhelmed. You are my hope when everything feels uncertain. You are my strength when I feel like giving up. So today, Lord, I come to you just as I am. Quiet my anxious thoughts. Remind me that you're in control. Help me trust you again, fully, deeply, completely. Restore my faith where it's been shaken, and fill my heart with your calm. You've carried me before, and I know you'll carry me again. So I choose to rest in your promises and believe that better days are ahead, because you are good. Thank you for never giving up on me. I love you, Lord. I need you, and I trust you. Amen.